my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Kiki, and here on my channel I just do me, take care of my two beautiful girls. One is 17, one is 2. Yeah, girl, I know, full-time working mom. So today is my birthday weekend. Well, what's today? Thursday. My birthday was Monday. Just celebrated another birthday. Your girl is big 38. Cancer season. So today I've been off for probably about almost 2 weeks now, so gotta go back to work tomorrow. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and take my girls to Galveston, to the dirty water. You already know, but we just here to catch a little vibe, just a little hoorah before I have to go back to work. I hope y'all can hear me. The beach is behind me, and every time we come to Galveston, we always gotta go to the famous Papa's Pizza. So that's where we're at, Papa's Pizza. And I got Layla her favorite Chick-fil-A. So she's eating that now. Say hey, Layla. Say hey, Aaliyah. Say hi.
What's your arm?
I burnt my arm trying to make you some cornbread yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah, I made some chili and I made some cornbread, and I was getting it out the oven and put my arm in there and burnt my arm on the rack. So I got a doctor on it. It's like a bubble now. I'm like, what the hell? What the hell? But anyways, we're waiting on our pizza, and then we're gonna go down to the beach. I'm glad it's not too hot. It's kind of like forecast today, so not too hot like it's been the last couple of days, thank God. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Listen, look at that. I normally get a large, but this time I just got a medium. But oh my God, look at that piece.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah.
Y'all, we haven't been to Galveston like in a minute, but normally when I do, I always park like in the neighborhoods. I never park like on the seawall, because first of all, you gotta walk like down some dang on steps to get down to the beach. Then you gotta be away from your car, so if you need something, you gotta travel all the way back over there. So I don't like that, and plus you gotta pay. So I just go like through the neighborhoods. I don't be knowing which street or how to tell you to get there. I just know where to go. So maybe I can show y'all. I go down here and then I turn where this neighborhood is. So maybe you can see where the RVs are. See, I should have never said nothing. No vehicles. Ugh, they done changed it. So where you park? No vehicles. Now they have like some little small parking lot, barely probably 8 cars. You gotta park right here. A little talking about they had a sing and skip day. What you said? They did what?
I don't know. Something happened. They lit the trees on fire.
They messed up the game. So now we gotta get all our stuff. I probably gotta bring her a stroller to carry everything down to the beach, cause I mean it's not a long walk, but I'm used to just being right there by my car. I knew I shouldn't have spoken too soon. Anyways, we're about to get out the car, y'all.
this train. Let me tell you exactly what to do.
Look like my baby fighting for her life over here. You excited for this dirty water? You gotta take you a good bath. You having fun with this dirty water? Yeah, get your hands out your mouth. They dirty. Look at them. Having a good old time.
Oh, way too heavy.
You gotta be careful. Heavy waves. Woo! Look at it. Steady want to go further. Don't fall down.
She's trying to be in deep end.
Woo! Woo! Little sister, come on. Woo! You want to go to deep end? Woo! Woo! Look at it. Woo!
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach view.
Thing that's saving you now is the heart of a woman.